Hello, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon. I'm here from Hana. I'm the founder of Hana. I'm just here to encourage you, ladies, gentlemen. Now that you've found love, now that you are into it, are you coping up financial pressure, intimacy pressure? Are you coping up? The other thing is people are just struggling to cope up with the consequences of love. Love is not an easy game, but to maintain it is quite difficult, and it has got lots and lots of challenges. So what I'm saying to you is, are you able to cope up intimacy wise? Are you doing the same as what you did, or now you're not even bothered? You don't care. But watch out, watch out. Once you lose focus on intimacy, that's where the cheating starting. And let's be careful, women, men and women. Let's be very careful. Be careful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share.